Okay, so today is September 11 and I just purchased the AirPods with wireless charging case. Oh well, ganun talaga. Ipon ulit. So let's open it. Hindi ko dala yung wireless charger ko kasi nasa office, pero I think it's just the same. Yeah. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Okay, so labas naman natin from here. Okay. So, syempre, nandito yung wire niya. Or iwan mo na natin ito. Kasi meron ka naman yung before. Alam ko wala namang sticker dyan. Wala. Okay, so solid lang natin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung dati. Yung dati ko. Kaso nga, ang bilis malupat. So ito yung AirPods 1, ito yung AirPods 1.5 with wireless charging. Okay. Yung button nito nasa gitna. Ito nandito sa baba. So, yun. Tanan! Thank you.